Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be tutoring you to how to download JDK from Oracle. So let's get started. So as you can see, Java is not installed within my computer, so hence it is giving us Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So first we need to install Java. So we go to this JDK download in the Oracle website, download Java. And over here, there are JDK for different operating system. We are downloading this for Windows, so we click on Windows and we search for 64-bit installer. So this is the link and we click on it. So once you click on this link, JDK along with Java will be downloaded. So go to download, click on this extension file, click on S and give it few minutes so that your JDK will be installed into your computer. Click on next. This is the path where the Java development kit will be downloaded. Next, and wait for a few minutes. Just don't worry if it's taking too much of time. Give it time. Yeah, since now it is showing that it is successfully installed, then type in close. To verify whether the JDK is downloaded into your computer or not, go to command prompt, type in as Java space hyphen version, enter. Since now Java is downloaded into my computer, it is showing the version of the Java, that is Java version 21. So that's it guys, this is how you download JDK into your computer. So our next coming video I'll be showing you how to download Eclipse as well as the other editing software for Java programming, that is Edit Plus. So both of these software are easy to use. So I'll be showing that in the next video. Thank you.